So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy Coca-Cola stock, ticker symbol KO, on Moomoo. So you open up Moomoo. Once that is done, go to the top right and press on the magnifying glass or the search icon. At the top, as I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol KO for Coca-Cola, and then press on the top option right here that says Coca-Cola. Once you're on this page, go to the bottom left, press on the orange trade button, and then press on buy. Make sure that buy is selected. So if it says sell, for example, it will be red. So make sure that buy is selected. You can change your session type. You can change your order type from limit to market. And then once that is done, you can type in the quantity. So if you wanted 10 shares, for instance, it will cost you this much. Once that is done, press right below on the green buy button and then proceed that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Coca-Cola stock on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.